In this video, we're going to determine if the ordered triple -2, 4, -1 satisfies the given system of equations. To do that, we want to plug that point into each of the three equations. If it works in all three, then we know it is a solution to the system. If it fails in one or more, we automatically know that it is not a solution to the system. So let's start by plugging it in to the first equation. -3x is now -3 times -2. Then we have -2 times y, and the y is 4. Then we have minus z, and we were told the z is -1. We want to know, does that equal -1? We don't rearrange anything in these equations. All we're doing is simplifying the left side to see does it match the right side. So using order of operations, we'll start with the multiplication. -3 times -2 is 6. -2 times 4 is -8. A -1, the negatives cancel and give us +1. And again, we're looking to see, does this equal -1? Well, 6 minus 8 is -2, and -2 plus 1 is -1. So yes, -1 equals -1. It's a true statement. We know that -2 for -1 is a solution to the first equation. What about the second equation? Well, let's substitute our values into that as well. 2 times my x is -2, minus 2 times my y is 4, minus 6z means I'm going to plug in -1 for the z. And we want to know, does it equal -6? 2 times -2 is -4. Then we have minus 2 times 4 is 8. And we have -6 times -1. The negatives cancel and give us +6. So we want to know, does that equal -6? -4 minus 8 is -12, and -12 plus 6 is -6. So indeed, -6 equals -6 is a true statement. So -2 for -1 is a solution to the second equation. We just have one more to check. Let's look at 5x minus y minus 2z equals -12. So 5 times x, which is -2, minus the y, which is 4, minus 2 times my z, which is -1. We want to know, does that equal -12? So we start with the multiplication. 5 times -2 is -10. Carry down the -4 because there is no multiplication there. -2 times -1 becomes +2. And we're looking, does this equal -12? -10 minus 4 is -14. And -14 plus 2 does equal -12. So yes, this is also a solution to the third equation. Because it is a solution to all three equations, the answer is yes, -2 for -1 satisfies the system.